Get my body, yeah. Baby, get up, get my body, yeah, yeah. 나는 붕 떠올라, boo. Everything ordinary, true.
Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be doing I call this a fire makeup look because I used the Morphe brushes, their palette called the Second Nature, and it has a shade called Fire, which really stands out. The first thing that I'm going to prep my skin is the beauty water, which it is really popular nowadays. So I like to kind of like do this motion because it also exfoliates. So doing this motion will actually help. But I'm going to prime my face with. First, I'll start off with the Milk Makeup Blur Stick. I just like to apply that all over my face. And I kind of like to go heavy with it because I have kind of have huge pores, so I just really want to minimize that. And then I like to spread it all over my face. Next, so I don't really believe in just one primer. I believe in two primers. That's how I feel. So the second primer that I'm gonna be applying on is the Soft Matte by Rihanna from Fenty Beauty. And I kind of like to shake it a little bit because since it is a liquid product. So next I'll be applying the foundation in the shade 230. Shake it up. Just kind of dot it. Just gotta set my face with a foundation powder from Maybelline. Gotta apply that all over. Usually I don't really do this step, but I just feel like doing it. So for the bronzer, I'm gonna go with the ABH, the Rich Amber bronzer. Stay still, man. My Real Technique, the buffing brush, and I'm just gonna go back with the foundation powder and just buff them. Oh my god, see, it's so beautiful. You can see that. And then concealer. Here is the Mercier. Just gonna apply it on like this. Okay, so I'm just gonna like have it sit on my face for a few minutes, and so I'm just gonna prime my eyes right now, which I'm going to be using. I'm gonna be using the MAC Soft Ochre Pop Melt, whatever it's called, and I'm just gonna prime my eyes with that. I like to set my eyes with also the translucent powder, and I'm using my e.l.f. concealer brush. And you guys already know why I do this, because it's really important if you guys want to like blend beautifully. Going to apply blush, and so this is the Pretty Vulgar, and it's the shade Make Them Blush. Honestly, I really like the packaging. It's really pretty, and I like this shade because I like it a lot. Because I don't know, kind of look muted, which I like this kind of blush because I don't know, muted just kind of like, I don't know, make you look more youthful. I'm gonna go with my Mikasa blush brush, and it's gonna like dip it in a little bit and then tap off the excess just a little bit. Okay, so the eyeshadow palette that I'm going to be using is the Morphe brushes. The palette called the 352, and it's the Second Nature palette. Honestly, when I first saw this palette, I really fell in love with this color. I believe it is called Fire. Yeah, Fire, which is such a beautiful, like a very like a bright red color, which is really stunning. Yeah, so let's see what I'm gonna do with this look, because yeah, let's just go with it. The transition color that I'm gonna be using, probably I'm looking at Orb right now, so Orb would be the transition color. Okay, not a bad. This is my first time using this palette too, so yeah, not too much fallout, which is it's powdery but not too bad, which I don't really, it's not a big deal to me. Okay, let's apply this on. And I might go crazy with this look because I don't know, like a lot of you guys like me when I do like edgy, crazy looks. Like some of you guys say that it's like, I guess it's suitable on me or whatever. Okay, I am looking at Ablaze. Heat looks good too, but Ablaze is kind of calling me because I feel like you want to deepen the transition just a little bit. Is how I feel. Yeah, I've been using that word too much too. Just how I feel. Yeah. Anyways, Ablaze it is then. Ablaze. Okay, so I'm just gonna apply that below Orb. Oh my gosh, this is so pretty. Probably apply to the outer V. Look at that. Oh, pretty. It really blends in with a Blaze. So I'm just gonna apply this like right over here where Fire is. So we're just kind of like, yeah. To go back with Orb, just to kind of I guess, yeah, just kind of blend over here. Apply this on. Okay. That's really nice, actually. You can't really see something. You can't really see anything when I like look at you guys. But I guess I'm just gonna apply more, just a little bit. The lashes that I'm gonna be using is, honestly, I think it is the brand called Kiss, which it is like affordable drugstore kind of lashes. I believe it's called please don't kill me if I do mispronounce this. It is called yeah, so I believe it's called Opulence, whatever. And yeah, it is quite a dramatic lashes, which honestly, when I tried this on for the first time, it is not bad as I thought. Yeah, so it is quite difficult to apply lashes to the left eyelid. It looks really pretty, like, wow. Dang. I feel like I need to apply my blush because I feel like you can't really see it now. Kind of feel like kind of washed out because of the brightness of this situation. Honestly, I feel like a geisha right now, girl. A geisha. Do kind of like fix up the blush because it's kind of crazy. I'm just gonna like do this. Use my buffing brush with nothing. I'm just gonna buff it into place. For the highlighter, I'm gonna be using the ABH collaboration with Amrezy. Look at the 90s look. I look kind of scary. I don't know because like, I'm wearing black. My hair looks really dark, and I look pale as a ghost. But yeah, so here's the finished look. Wow. Okay, guys. So this is the end of my video, and I'm so glad you guys made it to the end of the video. If you guys want to request if you guys want to request a makeup look for me to do, then just comment down below, and hopefully I do end up doing them, which I still need to do. So like this video, and also please subscribe to my channel, and yeah, so hopefully to see you guys in my next video. So thank you for watching.